you're staring at a screen filled with lines, numbers, and charts. It looks like a chaotic abstract painting, but everyone's saying it's the key to financial freedom. You're a beginner trader, eager to dive in, but overwhelmed. You've heard whispers of this magical tool called TradingView. So, the burning question is, does this platform, with all its bells and whistles, actually make sense for someone just starting out? Is TradingView worth it for beginners? Let's be real, entering the trading world is like stepping into a foreign country. You don't know the language, the customs, or even where to find the nearest bathroom, metaphorically speaking. You need a guide, a translator, something to make sense of the madness. That's where TradingView comes in. Now, you might be thinking, isn't it just a fancy chart? Well, yes, but it's a whole lot more than that. It's a community, a research hub, and a powerful analytical tool rolled into one. For a beginner, this can be both a blessing and a curse. Let's break it down. The sheer volume of information on TradingView can be daunting. You've got candlestick charts, volume indicators, moving averages, RSI, MACD, the list goes on. It's like trying to learn a new language by reading an encyclopedia. But here's the kicker, TradingView is designed to be customizable. You can start small. Focus on the basics. Learn to identify trends, support, and resistance levels. You don't need to master every indicator on day one. The platform's strength lies in its ability to visualize data. Those charts? They're not just pretty pictures. They tell a story. You can see price action, identify patterns, and spot potential opportunities. For a beginner, this is crucial. It's about learning to read the market, not just guessing. And let's not forget the community aspect. TradingView is a social network for traders. You can follow other traders, learn from their analysis, and even share your own ideas. This can be incredibly valuable for a beginner. You can see how experienced traders approach the market, ask questions, and get feedback. But, and this is a big but, you need to be selective. Not every idea is a good one. Learn to filter the noise. One of the best features for beginners is the paper trading option. You can practice trading with virtual money without risking a single penny. This allows you to test your strategies, learn from your mistakes, and build confidence. It's like a flight simulator for traders. You can crash and burn as many times as you need without any real-world consequences. Now, is TradingView free? Yes, there's a free version, but it comes with limitations. You'll have fewer indicators, fewer charts, and fewer alerts. But for a beginner, the free version is more than enough to get started. You can always upgrade later as your skills and needs evolve. So, to answer the initial question, is TradingView worth it for beginners? Absolutely. But with a caveat, it's a tool, not a magic wand. It won't make you a successful trader overnight. It requires time, effort, and a willingness to learn. But if you're serious about trading, TradingView can be an invaluable asset. It's a platform that grows with you. As you learn and develop your skills, you can unlock more of its powerful features. It's a journey, not a destination. Remember, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Take your time, learn the basics, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Use TradingView as your guide, your translator, and your practice field. And most importantly, manage your risk. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.